So today I'm gonna try to fix a leak in my pontoon. This is a classic accessories Colorado XT model. And before I take this bladder out, I'm taking a marker and marking a line so I get the bladder back in there with the same line lined up. Anyway, to get this thing out of here, it's really easy. The hard part's going to be putting it back in. Alright, so once you get it out, and put the cap back on. I'm going to put some air in it. I'm taking some dish soap and water and just rubbing along the bladder here. Really trying to pay special attention to wherever there might be a fold. Anyway, I did the whole bladder and I found my leak. It's up in the area where the valve is. So I'm going to take a little bit of sandpaper and lightly scuff up the area that I want to bond together. I'm going to be using the JB weld, marine weld. It's supposed to be good up to 2350 psi. Anyway, this is a two-part epoxy. I'm just using some junk mail to spread some out on. And you need to mix this up really good before you put it on the pontoon. And it comes with a little like popsicle stick. It's pretty small. I'm just using a piece of scrap wood that I had laying around. Anyway, gonna mix this up really good. And if you don't mix it up real well, it won't dry correctly. So make sure you get those two parts mixed together. Anyway, I just take the stick and put it on the area where the leak is. Now if I had a pinhole leak somewhere in the pontoon, I would just use the same epoxy and just spread it over the hole. Make it, I don't know, about the size of a quarter or something. But in this case, I just have the leak right around the valve here. This is supposed to be dry to the touch in 5 minutes and cure in an hour. But I let it sit a lot longer than that. Anyway, I'm checking for leaks. As you can see, I got a couple of bubbles, which means I have more of a problem than just the leak I repaired. So as it turns out, I had a O-ring that needed to be replaced. It was a little bit dried and cracked. I was able to find one at Ace Hardware. They had a big selection there. I looked at Home Depot first, couldn't find anything. Just save yourself some time and go to Ace Hardware. So after I put in the O-ring, everything checked out fine, no more leaks. Now the hard part's getting this bladder back in the pontoon cover. Now underneath the flap there's a couple of Velcro patches that need to be squarely fit, and there's the line that I drew when I took the bladder out. So I'm going to maneuver this around and try to get it to fit right. I'm going to put a little bit of air in it just so I can use the air to my advantage to push it down to the tip and try to get it in there good. Yeah, this is, by far the worst part of the repair. And after a lot of adjusting and messing around, I finally get it back into place. Alright, well, have a good day. Happy boating.